A Plastic Fidget Toy Pistol. Let's get into this. This is a really cool toy pistol. It has blowback action and safety features, just like a real one. So cool that those safety work well. The grip safety, the safety lever, and the slide stop really work. Now let's disassemble it and have a look inside and see how it works. I'm just using a small flat screwdriver and push this pin from the other side. I use it to pry it open. Be gentle and make sure no springs or other small parts flying around. Whoa, that came off easy by just pressing the trigger. Cool. The slide assembly and the barrel are pretty cool. I'm not sure how many parts inside this toy, but it's better to get organized so I won't get confused to assemble it back later. I'm just using a small screwdriver, or anything that is thin and strong enough would do. Be gentle when prying it open. It is made of plastic and easy to leave a mark or a dent. This took a while, so I sped up the video for your viewing pleasure. Wow, so cool inside. Simple but very interesting. I better take out the spring first before it flies out. Lay down all the parts the way I saw it and don't flip them around. The grip seems easy to take off. Just need to push it out. Nice. As you may notice that I'm using an iVoice to narrate. Just try and listen to stuff for fun. I definitely don't talk like this. Okay, let's take off the grips with a small tool. Oops, glad I didn't mess it up. Better not touch that. Leave it as it is. Alright then, let's assemble it back together. I guess I'll start with the trigger and the other trigger assembly, including the spring. I need to make sure all the parts sit well in the housing. Okay, the spring part might be tricky, although I just need to follow my instinct. It would be so cool if these were made of metal. I preferred the feel of metal than plastic. I guess it would not be legal, especially in Australia. I hope that is okay. Only one way to find out. Very promising so far. Well, it is not a jet engine or something. Kids can easily do this. I'm having fun though. That sounds good. I guess I got it, right? Okay, let's do the barrel on the slide. Better make sure the slide sits well under the frame. It better be. Oh yeah, that sits right. Safety check. Another thing to check. Make sure the pin gets through the other side by moving the slide back and forth. Oh wow, that was easy. Oh yes, the sound of success. That was fun. A $4 plastic toy somehow help you to chill and have fun. Worth every penny for sure. Alright, everything works. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you next time, folks. Please slap me a like and subscribe. Cheerios.